Stores is where you manage every branch of your laundry shop. Your first store was created at sign-up with just a name, so come here to fill in its address, hours, and geofence for clock-in. This is also where you register additional branches as you expand. Click Stores under Operations in the sidebar to open the page. Each row is one branch: name, address, phone, the operating hours summary, and whether a geofence is active for clock-in. Tap Add Store to open the form. Name is the only required field. Type a recognizable name. This is what cashiers, the store selector, and every dashboard filter will show. Latitude, longitude, and radius set the geofence. Station devices check the browser's GPS against the radius before letting employees clock in. Leave blank to allow clock in from anywhere. Toggle each day of the week on or off and set the open and close times. Days off render as closed in the table summary. Heads up, managing stores requires the Manage Stores permission. The default owner and admin roles have it. Manager and cashier don't. Assign it to other roles in Roles and Permissions for staff who handle store administration.